In 6 months or 1 year, you will create a portfolio. But if you have, let's say, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, whatever might be the capital, if you have lump sum amount, your entire portfolio will be created today itself. So that's the process. Lump sum amount, today itself the portfolio will be created. Monthly investment, eventually in 6 months to 1 year, your portfolio will be created. So what we will do is, we will try to invest in one high quality stock every month through our monthly process. So each month we will add one good stock to the portfolio, and by the end of 6 months to 1 year, you will have a well diversified portfolio. So that's the process. So that is the 3-step process that we use. But like I already mentioned, I have a very big surprise for people who are enrolling today. That is, I am going to share the list of stocks. Your investing journey will start from tomorrow. For people who are enrolling with our golden offer, I am going to provide the stock investment ideas today evening 9 p.m. So today evening 9 p.m. we have induction program, and obviously, like I already said, like I already mentioned it multiple times, that after COVID crash, this is the best opportunity. Currently, the stocks are trading at dead cheap prices. I have already mentioned that, and obviously, I am also utilizing that opportunity left and right. So I am also investing. Last week also I invested. So this week also I am planning to invest. This week, I mean, as there is opportunity, I am investing. So I am investing around 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees tomorrow in the same list. The same stocks. I mean, I'm doing it. In the last couple of weeks, because basically the market is trading at a favorable price. So many high quality stocks are trading at dead cheap prices. So I am going to share that list of stocks with you today evening 9 p.m. where I am investing my around 4 lakh rupees in the same list, the same stocks. So I am also investing along with you, and I will provide you that list today evening 9 p.m. in the induction program. So you can also invest along with me tomorrow. So this is the list that I am going to share with you, evening 9 p.m. in the induction program. And the top stock of the list, you can see, is going to generate 843% return in the next 2 years. That is, 1 lakh rupees invested will be more than 8 lakhs after 2 years. And you can see here 690, 676, 560, 540, so on and so forth. So if you can remember, associated alcohols is in the buying zone. Caplin Point Labs is also in the buying zone, but I am not investing in those stocks. I mean, they are good stocks, they are favorable stocks, but I am not investing in them. Why? Because you see here, the 15th stock in this list is going to generate 424% return. Associated alcohols was around 350 or something like that, right? So Caplin Point around 320 or something like that. So when I have better opportunities here, then why I will invest in those stocks? So for that reason, I am investing in these stocks. So as you can see, Caplin Point Labs, Associated Alcohols, Dhanuka Agritech, they are all good stocks. But I have better opportunities right now. 15th stock here is going to generate almost 369%. 425. Associated alcohol around 350 or 360, something like that. Here it is 424. So this is where I am going to invest my 4 lakh rupees. So this is the list. Top 15 stocks. And this list I am going to share with you today evening 9 p.m. where I am investing my 4 lakh rupees. And absolutely I am going to share the process with you. How to invest, how to allocate money into those stocks. What is the percentage? All of that will be covered in the induction program. So today evening 9 p.m. I'll cover that. So I am super duper excited regarding the induction program. So I'm pretty excited about that. And as you can see, the top stock of the list is going to generate 843% return. So for people who are not getting this, like what is this, 843 and all, very simple, my dear friends. It is like 1 lakh rupees invested will be almost 8 lakh 40,000 rupees after 2 years. But if you want to invest on monthly basis, you will invest on the first stock. Pretty obvious, right? You will invest in the first stock of the list, and you can see how much return you can generate. And in case if you want to invest lump sum amount, You will invest not in 15 stocks. No, not everyone is going to invest in 15 stocks. I will suggest you. For example, let's say you have 1 lakh rupees, then I will suggest you where and how you have to invest that 1 lakh rupees. So basically, based on the capital, I am going to suggest. So today evening 9 p.m. we have induction program, and there I am going to share this list with you. So your investment journey will start from tomorrow. And one more thing, I know most of you are beginners. Majority of people who attend my webinar are complete beginners. So in case if you are thinking that Vishnu, I don't have a trading and demat account, then what should I do? Guys, don't worry about trading and demat account. At Invested ID, we provide 360-degree services. So I will help you with the trading and demat account as well. So by today evening, like 5:30 or 6, you will get logical conclusion on the demat account by evening itself. So don't worry about the trading and demat account. I'll take care of that. And by today evening, like 5:30 or 6, mostly by 6, you will get a logical conclusion on that. So I will help you. Don't worry about that. And now let me show you some of the examples of people who are already using this process, and let me show you how much money they are making, and let me show you how much money they made using this process. So it might be a simple process, but it's a very powerful process. And let me show you how much money they made by applying this simple process. Guys, it's a simple process, but but thousands of people so far have made money using this simple process. And here I'm showing you those some of those examples. So Saurabh Charya from Hyderabad, so he is a public speaking coach. You can just Google search his name, Saurabh Charya, or just search for the best public speaking coach in Hyderabad, and his website will show up. Initially he was very scared of stock market, but after enrolling with our training program, this is what happened. As you can see, you can read his testimonial. I'm not reading everything, I'm just focusing on the important content. So here you can see within 9 months my portfolio is 90% off. So that is what he mentioned after 9 months. After 10 months, so he shared one more screenshot. This is after 10 months. So you can see here, bro, portfolio 100% up. And currently his portfolio already generated more than 250% return. But obviously it goes on. He keeps on making money forever. So I can't change the slides forever. So I stopped it at 100%. At round figure I stopped. But currently his portfolio already generated more than 250% return. And here you can see, initially Saurabh Charya invested around 2,25,000 rupees into these stocks, and that portfolio value increased to almost 4,51,000. That is 2,26,000 rupees profit. 100% gain. Portfolio doubled within 10 months. So, like I said, as of now, that portfolio return is more than 250%. So, Saurabh Charya generated 5,50,000 plus, more than 5,50,000 profits in the last 1.5 years. So, as you can see, Saurabh Charya, who is very busy with his profession as a public speaker, motivational speaker, a coach, he was invited by TED Talk as well. So recently shared a video of Joe Stock as well. So Saurabh Charya, who is very busy with his profession, generated 100% return in 10 months, 250% return in 1.5 years. Here you can see he invested 2,25,000 rupees with this process, and that increased to almost, like, he made almost 5,50,000 rupees profit in the last 1.5 years. Exactly 1.5 years back, he doesn't know anything about stock market. But now he already made more than 5,50,000 rupees within 1.5 years. Just 6,000 rupees of investment in golden offer helped him to make more than 5,50,000 rupees profit within 1.5 years. And now he is going to make such profits for the rest of his life. Just add up all the money Saurabh is going to make in his lifetime by using this process and compare it with this 5,999. I mean, you can't even compare, my dear friends. Let me show you. You can see today gains here 6,500 rupees. So on the day Saurabh Charya shared that screenshot with me, on that day he made 6,500 rupees profit. How much money he invested in our golden offer? 5,999. So just on that one day, whatever he invested in our golden offer, he got back. And whatever money he is making for his lifetime, that is all that is all bonus for him. So you can't even compare it with this 6,000 rupees investment. So next we have Abdul Hafiz. So Abdul Hafiz is an IT employee. I mean, here you can see I also doubled my money, and he mentioned like 2,10,000 rupees increased to almost 4,30,000 rupees. So he also doubled his money, like more or less around 7 or 8 months he took. So he is an IT employee. I mean, obviously we have many IT employees in our sensible investing family, very busy with this profession, but still with this three-step investment process, I mean, within 7 or 8 months, he doubled his money. Actually, initially when he enrolled, he made 15% profit in 3 months. Here you can see, and he was very happy for that. I said, like, Hafiz, 15% is nothing, dude. Let's celebrate when you make 100% return. So that's the reason he texted me again. So he is going to make, such profits for the rest of his life. So this is Srikanth. So Srikanth is a BI developer, and here you can see he also doubled like within less than 1 year. So this is Naveen. So Naveen is a senior manager at HSBC Bank. So 50%, 125, 100. So he also more or less doubled within 1 year. This is Shivraj. So Shivraj is a property developer. I mean, he is the founder of a private limited company called as Colonial Constructions. So almost doubled in like 6 or 7 months. So this is Vinay. So Vinay is one of the most intelligent person in our sensible investing family. So he joined like around 3 months back, 2.5, 3 months back. So he enrolled with our golden offer like maybe 3 months back, and he wanted to test the process. Actually, he wanted to invest like 2.5, 3 lakh rupees, but before investing that money, he wanted to test the process. So this is what he did. He invested just around, here you can see around 8,000 rupees into this stock to test the process. And within 1 month, that portfolio value increased to almost 19,000 rupees. So just within 10 to 15 days, he got back his investment in the golden offer, and he is in the profit as well. Now he already invested that 2.5, 3 lakh rupees. Like, yes, he already invested that. So just look at how simple the process. So first he got the confidence. Only when he got confidence, then he started investing his actual money. So just look at the process, how simple the process, and just look at how much money they are making without putting any effort. Guys, Excel sheet is doing everything for them. To be very honest, no sensible person would reject the possibility of making such huge profits, showing mere 6,000 rupees of investment as an excuse. My dear friends, please don't do that mistake. So this is Abdul Karim from Vijayawada. So he's a teacher. He attended my webinar during like March or April in 2020. But for some reason, he didn't enroll with our golden offer. I mean, during COVID crash, he attended. Back then, the stocks were trading at dead cheap prices like today. So back then also there was a very good opportunity, but he didn't enroll with our golden offer. I mean, he came back after 3 months, but after 3 months, like most of the share price actually shot up. But still, in 7 or 8 months, he made 40% return. It was a bull market. He already invested at the peak. I mean, the prices already shot up before he invested, but still he made 40% return. Yeah, like I said, when you make money irrespective of whether it is a bull market or a bear market, he should have enrolled before. I mean, because he was 3 months late, actually he could have generated like 200 to 250% return if he invested just like 2 or 3 months before, just 2 or 3 months before. For example, Saurabh Charya invested during that COVID crash. I mean, if Abdul Karim would have invested during that period, he would have also generated that 200 to 250% return. But still, considering the point of entry, 1 second, guys. I mean, considering the point of entry, so even that also is a great return. So here you can see he already invested at the peak. 40% return in 7 to 8 months is also considered to be a very good return considering the point of entry. So that is also a very satisfactory return. So this is Mani Raja. So guys, Mani Raja is an inspiration in our sensible investing family. So Mani Raja is from Tamil Nadu, from a very small village, born and brought up in a lower middle class family, humble background. And due to some, financial setbacks, he had to leave India. He went to a Gulf country, Saudi Arabia, to support his family. He went there at a very young age, and he stayed there for 15 long years. He stayed there for 15 years. But he was always ambitious. Even though he might be from a lower middle class family, he might be from a village, but he always had big ambitions in life. So he was consistently saving money for this 15 years. So he saved around like 15 to 20 lakh rupees so that he can start his own business in his village. So that is his ambition, to start his own business in the village. So he saved for 15 years, some around 15 to 20 lakh rupees, came back to India. And since he was always, he was away from India for like 10, 15 years, he had no friends here. So what he did was, since he doesn't know anyone here, he went to some of his close relatives and asked them to partner with him in his business so that they can support him. But what happened was, instead of supporting him, they all cheated him. So all this 15, 20 lakh rupees, whatever he had, everything is gone. And he borrowed some money as well to set up the business. So even that is also an extra burden he has to pay. So back to zero, absolutely back to zero. His close relatives actually cheated him. Now he doesn't want to go back to Saudi, because according to him, he thinks that he already wasted 15 prime golden years of his life. So he doesn't want to go back. So he took some loan, like 2 lakhs or 3 lakh rupees loan from someone, and started a small shop in his village. But again, unfortunately, there was a bad news, COVID and lockdown. So within 2 months or 3 months of starting this shop, COVID situation happened. And due to lockdown, again, that shop was also shut. Now, Mani Raja has a large family to feed, and his only income source is also shut. And on the top of that, some debt burden is also there. It's like, he was blocked from every side. And that's when he thought of generating some additional source of income. He thought of investing in the stock market. So he started watching some YouTube videos, random videos he was watching, and he liked one of my video. He liked the content. So he called me, and over the phone call, I can, still remember. This is what he exactly told me. So, after narrating the story. So first he told me like what happened with him, and then this is what he actually told me. Vishnu, my close relatives actually cheated me. So I am not in a position to trust anyone, but that doesn't work. End of the day, I have to trust someone. And I trust you only because I like the content, and because I think this is the only way I can go forward. And he said, Vishnu, I have 60,000 rupees in my pocket right now, 60,000 rupees, and a large family to feed. Can you help me? He called me on Friday. So on Friday, he called me, and there was a webinar scheduled on Sunday, the same webinar. So I said, Mani Raja, please attend the Sunday webinar and let's see what we can do. He attended the Sunday webinar, and after 9 months, this is what he texted. So today I have taken all the shares with good profit. And he mentioned 1,20,000 rupees plus. So 1,20,000 rupees profit he made exactly after 9 months of calling me. So I was extremely tremendously happy for Mani Raja, because I knew what kind of situation he was in when he called me. So I was very happy for him. So I called him and I congratulated him for making this 1,20,000 rupees profit in just like 9 months. And this is what he told me over the phone call. Vishnu, this 1,20,000 rupees profit, I sold some shares today and I made this profit. But exactly 15 days back, I sold some more shares and I made 90,000 rupees profit. So overall in 9 months, my profit is 2,10,000 rupees, which is more than my annual income. This is what he said. Vishnu, this is more than my annual income. So he started with 60,000 rupees, and within 9 months, that 60,000 rupees increased to like almost 3 lakh rupees. So I asked him like, Mani Raja, this is very inspiring. I got inspired myself. So can I share it in my webinars? So very happily accepted, and he shared all the screenshots as well. So Balaji Amines 300, 114, 195, 175. So basically that's where Mani Raja made money. So Mani Raja, who had just 60,000 rupees in his pocket and a large family to feed, still decided to invest 5,999, 6,000 rupees into our golden offer, which is not a joke, my dear friends, because it is 10% of his net worth. 10%. So that is not a joke. He had only 60,000 rupees and he had to invest 10%. That is 6,000 rupees into our golden offer. And he did that. And that turned out to be one of the best decisions of his life. He made, as you can see, he made more than like 2,10,000 rupees profit in just like 9 months, which is more than his annual income. And the best part is he made all this money without putting any effort, zero effort. And this is just a beginning for Mani Raja. Because now he knows how to invest that 3 lakh rupees and make it into 6 lakh rupees. Guys, if someone like Mani Raja can do this, then why you can't do this? What do you lack? Saurabh, Shrikant, Ravi, Mani Raja, Naveen, Hafiz. I mean, there are thousands of such examples. I can show you, I can give you thousands of examples. When they all can do it, then why you can't do it? Just think about it. Give it a thought. What is stopping you? Effort. There is no effort required in this process. Excel sheet is doing everything for you. Time. All you need is less than 2 minutes only to analyze the stock. So time is also not required, like 5 to 10 minutes if you have, you can apply this process. Money is what stopping you? Yes, money. Look at Vinay. He just invested 7,000 rupees to test the process. And now that 7,000 rupees itself is worth more than 20,000 rupees. So you don't need lakhs or crores of rupees to invest. You can start with 5,000 rupees. You can start with 10,000 rupees. There are people in our sensible investing family who invest 1,000 rupees every month, 1,500 rupees every month. Of course, there are people who invest 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees per month as well. But there are people in our sensible investing family who invest 1,000 rupees per month, 1,500 rupees per month, 5,000 rupees per month as well. So capital is not an excuse. You don't need lakhs or crores of rupees to invest. 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees is also more than enough to start. I myself started with just 8,000 rupees of capital. 9 years back when I was a student, I started investing my pocket money of just 8,000 rupees. So guys, capital is not an excuse. Effort is not required. Time is also not required. Huge capital is not required. Accounting knowledge or past investing experience is not required. If you really want to make money in the stock market, then you can't find a simple process than this. You can't find 100% automated, simple, better process than this. Guys, this is a skill that will help you make money for the rest of your life. Think about it. Give it a thought. Rest of your life. Making money effortlessly for the rest of your life. Saurabh, Hafiz, Mani Raja, etc., etc. Once they were all beginners like you, but now they're all making money in the stock market. If they can do it, then you can also do it. No one is born with investment competence, not even Warren Buffett. Don't think that Warren Buffett is some kind of a gifted investor. No one is gifted here. And that is the reason I'm showing you all these extraordinary returns generated by ordinary people like a bank employee, an IT employee, a small business owner. They are all ordinary people like you and me with whom we can all relate. If Mani Raja can do it, then you can also do it. If Shrikant can do it, then you can also do it. When someone like Saurabh Sharia, who is very busy with his profession, can do it, then anyone can do it. No one is expert here. In fact, in the beginning, most of them didn't know what is stock market. For example, if you look at Mani Raja didn't know anything about stock market. He didn't know the difference between what is a stock and what is stock market. That is the kind of beginner he was. But still, these ordinary people were able to generate such extraordinary returns with the help of this process. It is the process. By investing just 5,999, they all made lakhs of rupees within 1 year. For example, look at Mani Raja. He made like more than 2,10,000 rupees profit in just 9 months, which is more than his annual income. We have thousands of such sensible investors. This is just a small sample of sensible investors who are making money in the stock market. They all started their journey by attending this webinar, just like you. And today they are all making huge profits. Guys, let me tell you something. In the last 5 years, there is not even a single sensible investor who lost money in the stock market. Not even a single sensible investor. Each and every person who enrolled with our training program made money in the stock market. So it's a promise from my side. Anyone and everyone who is going to enroll today, it's a promise. You will make money. In the last 5 years, no one lost money. And I'll tell you, I know like stock market is pretty risky, like 99% of people lose money here. But I'll tell you why we don't lose our money. Because the primary objective of the sensible investing process is to safeguard our capital. And on the top of that, we try to generate an optimum return. And we never put our capital at risk. No, we don't lose something that we have for something that we don't have. That's never the attitude. Each and every rupee that we have is our hard earned money. It's our sweat and blood. And we make sure that the capital is always safeguarded. So we apply three filters to protect our capital. So filter number one, we only invest in high quality stocks. If it's a high quality company, only then we invest. Filter number two is margin of safety. We only invest in such high quality companies when they are trading at undervalued prices. So only if the stock is trading at a favorable price, we invest. Otherwise, we don't. So filter number one is high quality. Filter number two is favorable price. Now these two filters will take care of company specific risk. Then what about market specific or economy specific risk? For that we apply filter number three. That is adequate diversification in the portfolio. We make sure that we have a well diversified portfolio so that the market specific risk or the economy specific risk will also be mitigated. So with the help of these three filters, both company specific and market specific risk is eliminated by almost 99.99%. So that is the reason we have very few. Rarely we have a loser in the portfolio. Mostly all the stocks in the portfolio are always positive. So it's a promise from my side. In the last 5 years, none of our sensible investors lost money because of these three filters and obviously because of the process that we apply. So you will make money irrespective of whether it is a bull market or a bear market. We don't even consider that. You will make money no matter what. You will make money. One more thing, I mean, I can't share all those details here, but today in the induction program, for example, in the last 1 year, you can check the Sensex or Nifty, whatever you want. For example, Sensex. Last year, Sensex was trading around like 60,000 rupees. Now today also more or less it is trading around 60,000 rupees only. So in the last 1 year, market made nothing. Market did nothing. But in the induction program today evening, so I'm going to share two things with you. How much money we made in the last 1 year, or let's say last 3 months. So let's say, last 1 month. That data I'm going to share with you and you will be surprised. And I'm going to share all the testimonials, not these testimonials. I'm going to share some different testimonials with you today. And I'm pretty excited about the induction program, by the way. So you will make money irrespective of whether it is a bull market or a bear market. We don't even consider that. Generally, I used to say maybe like 2 or 3 years back, I used to say like, we don't even consider that. We don't even consider that. But right now, with a lot of confidence, I'm telling you, because for the last 1 year also, it was a bear market. But we made plenty of money. So you will make money no matter whether it's a bull market or a bear market. And I'll show you all the proofs as well. Today evening 9 p.m. Like I said, 9 p.m. I have a very big surprise for you as well. I already mentioned that. Like I am going to share the share list, stock list with you, right? So along that with that list, I am going to share some testimonials as well. And I want those testimonials from you as well. End of the day, you are also going to make money. So your investing journey will start from tomorrow. So for people who are enrolling with our golden offer, I am going to provide the stock investment ideas today evening. And tomorrow I am also investing around 4 lakh rupees in the same stocks, the same list. So I am also investing along with you, and I will provide that list with you today evening 9 p.m. So you can also invest along with me. So by investing like 5999, they all made few lakh rupees within 1 year. And the best part is they will keep on making a lot of money in the future as well. So now they are not scared of losing their jobs anymore. Money Raja is not scared of lockdown kinds of situations anymore, because now they have an investment process that can help them in making money. They have a backup that can help them in making money for the rest of their life. Now you can also have this backup. What is the cost of this backup that can help you in making money for the rest of your life? 6,000 rupees, only 6,000 rupees. Look at your phone. It will have no value after 3 or 4 years from now. But your phone is multiple times expensive than this golden offer. You can use that phone maybe for next 2 or 3 years. After that, it will have no value. But you can use this investing process for the rest of your life and can make a lot of money. It is going to be a great value adder for you and for your family as well. And the best part is its price is significantly cheaper than your phone, but its value is 100 times or 1000 times more than your phone. But its cost is very cheap. That is the reason I'm asking you to enroll with this golden offer. With this process, you can make money in the stock market with almost zero effort, almost zero time, and almost zero risk. You will never find a better process and a simple process than this. I'm pretty sure about this. You will not find. But chalo, even after looking at all these people and their profits, if you still decide not to invest, then in my opinion, guys, it's my opinion, right? So opinions are always subjective. So I don't mean to hurt anyone. So please don't mind. This is just an opinion. If you are not able to estimate its value, then in my opinion, it's like being penny wise and pound foolish. I mean, that's what it is, penny wise, pound foolish. I'm sorry, but if someone is, I mean, in the process of saving mere 6,000 rupees, if someone is ignoring how many lakhs of rupees they can make, then what we should call them? Isn't it like being penny wise, pound foolish? So please don't be that person. According to me, this 6,000 rupees investment is a test for you. To make money in the stock market, you need courage. I mean, obviously, courage is needed. Opportunities won't wait for you. Stocks won't wait for you. Multi-bagger returns won't wait for you. So you have to make rapid decisions and grab the opportunities. And obviously, if you can't estimate the value of this opportunity, which is right in front of you, whose outcome is crystal clear. I am showing you tons of testimonials. You can check my track record. You can go and check SEBI details. I'll show you the remaining testimonials as well. I mean, the outcome will be crystal clear. Last 5 years, no one lost money. Going forward, also, no one will lose money. With 100% confidence, I am telling you, there is no possible way. You will not lose money. Three filters: adequate diversification, margin of safety, high quality. Even if you want to lose money, also, you will not lose. I'm telling you, I mean, it's not arrogance, but it's the process that we are using. So that is what it is. So we have a time tested process which is working. So that is the confidence. So the outcome is crystal clear. If you can't estimate this, then how will you estimate the value of the stock which is not very clear? Everyone knows the price, but only few people can see the value. You have to be one of them. Otherwise, you can't make money in the stock market, my dear friend. You have to focus on the value, not the price. Price everyone can see, but value you have to see. It is very important. So this is a test for you. If you fail to make this mere 6,000 rupees investment, then please don't expect to make money in the stock market. It's just not your cup of tea. I'm sorry, but in fact, you are just unfit to make money in the stock market. It's just not your thing. Courage is needed. Rapid decision making skills is needed. Instead of looking at the price, you should focus on the value. That skill, that kind of attitude is needed. So without having courage, rapid decision making skills, please don't expect to make money in the stock market. I'm almost hand feeding you. If you don't want to eat, I can't help you. In fact, no one can help you. Finally, this is what I can say. A doctor may do many things for his patient, but in the end, it is the patient that should take the prescribed medication on time and improve his health. If the patient is not taking the medication, then what the doctor can do? A farmer does many things for his plant, but in the end, it is the plant that should grow in size and excellence. Similarly, I have designed a process that already helped thousands of people to make money in the stock market, and it will help you to make money in the stock market. But in the end, it is you who should make money. I can take the horse to the pond, but I can't make it drink the water. The horse should drink the water. I am ready to do everything in my capacity to help you make money. And making money starts from tomorrow. I'll provide the list of stocks today evening. So you will generate multi-bagger returns in those stocks, have no doubts. In the induction program we have today evening 9 p.m. I'll provide that list. And obviously how much return you can generate by investing in those stocks, I've already covered that. So I am ready to do everything in my capacity to help you make money, and I take it as my responsibility. Being a SEBI registered research analyst, anyway I have the fiduciary responsibility. So anyway I'm obliged by the law. But with commitment, I take it as a personal responsibility as well. So it is my responsibility. In the last 5 years, we didn't have a single student who lost money. You can check that in our weekly mentoring program. You can attend our weekly mentoring program Friday 9 p.m. You will not find a single person who lost money. Everyone is actually making money, but still, if you decide not to invest in the golden offer, even after looking at all these profits of all these people, then maybe stock market is not for you. I'm really sorry, but it may not be for you. Maybe you can't make money here. I mean, if you are not able to realize the value in this offer, not able to estimate the value in this offer, or if you are scared of making this 6,000 rupees investment here, then you are not an investor. Look at Mani Raja. He had just 60,000 rupees in his pocket, but still invested 6,000 rupees into this golden offer and made more than 2 lakh rupees profit in just 9 months. It's because Mani Raja had an investor in him. Mani Raja was not scared of investing. He was not scared of making decisions. And that's what helped him to make money in the stock market. So put it simply, if you can't estimate the worth of this golden offer, then investing is not for you. Making money in the stock market is not for you. Its price might be 6,000 rupees, but guys, its value is lakhs of rupees. If you can't see that, then you don't have an investor in you. I mean, how will you invest and make money in the stock market if you don't have an investor in you? So, okay, most of our students made more than 250% return in the last 1.5 years. So, and we absolutely understand your expectations. We have people who lost their jobs due to COVID and enroll with our program. We have people who had pay cuts in their salary but still invest in our program and making money. We have people like Vikas, which is very emotional. You can read it. So, sir, I have 3 daughters. I invest for better future of my daughters. So hopefully you support me, you help me. Absolutely, absolutely yes. So I know, I can understand your expectations, and in the last 5 years, we are consistently exceeding the expectations. So we believe in exceeding your expectations. So we believe in under promise, over perform. And this is what I have already shared. So this is the list I am going to share with you today evening 9 p.m. And these are the top 15 stocks where I am going to invest my 4 lakhs. I mean, depending on your capital, I will suggest. So for example, let's say you want to invest 1 lakh, then I will suggest you where and how you need to invest. So based on your capital, I'll suggest the stocks. And let me tell you, this list is going to get me many more testimonials like Mani Raja, Saurabh and all. So I am also going to get many more testimonials from you, from people who are enrolling today. What I am expecting in return is a testimonial from you. So I want you to make plenty of money in the stock market, and I know for sure that you will make plenty of money in the market. So please share a testimonial with me. That's the only thing I am expecting from you. So please share a testimonial with me. So chalo guys, like I said, it's a limited time offer. So you only have 25 minutes to enroll with our golden offer. And please don't focus on the price. Everyone can see the price, but only few people can see the value. Focus on the money that you can make in the next 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 30 years. If you add up all those profits, then this 5999 is nothing. I am going to give this list of 15 stocks today evening, right? So that 15 stock itself is going to make few lakh rupees for you. So rest assured, I'll help you make money. It's a promise from my side. So you will make money. And like I said, it's been almost 5 years that I am helping people make money, and I am going to do it as long as I am alive. And the best thing about our process is you can make all that money with almost zero effort, zero time, and almost zero risk. So please don't be a person who is penny wise and pound foolish. Everyone can see the price. There is nothing great about that. But you have to focus on the value. That kind of attitude is required. So like I said, it's a limited time offer, and I am going to show you the testimonials of people who already enrolled with our program. So I want to show you some smiley faces, some happy, satisfactory faces of, of people who already enroll with our golden offer. And I want you guys to be a part of this golden offer. I want you guys to be a part of this elite family, the sensible investing family of ours. And I want you to make tons of money in the stock market. So please join us and please start making money in the stock market. I have already provided the link in the chat box. So in the chat box, you will find the link. So, so this is what. So let me share the screen with you 1 second. So what I'm doing here is I'm introducing my sensible investing family here. So 1 second. So chalo, like I said, it's a limited time offer, right? So you have got 25 minutes to enroll with our sensible investing. So I have already provided the link in the chat box. So right now in the chat box, you will find the link. So of course, chat box is disabled, but you can still click on the link and you can click on that and enroll with our golden offer. My team would have already provided the link in all the WhatsApp groups, or else you can just put a message in the chat box as well, or a Q&A box. Please put a message in the Q&A box. So even if you put a message there, they'll share the link with you. So please utilize this opportunity, guys. So please do enroll. So like I said, I am going to introduce my sensible investing family with you. So first of all, thank you so much for people who already enrolled. So thank you guys. If you have already enrolled, the moment you enroll, the moment you made the payment, you will get 3 emails, out of which one email will be your account has been created mail, and you will receive the login credentials in that mail. So please go through that mail. But don't worry, once this is done, I will help you. Have to go through the course, have to download the Excel sheet, all of that I'll show you. And by the way, I will confirm all your payments as well. So don't worry if you have already made the payment. Don't worry. So you will receive 3 mails. Please go through that mails. So once I am done with this, I'll confirm your payments and I'll take you to the remaining process as well. So chalo guys, all the very best, and your time starts now. Investing journey started back in 2013 when I was doing my bachelor's in business administration. And initially it was a bit rough. I was young, inexperienced, made some silly mistakes, and obviously learned some valuable lessons out of my silly mistakes. Around 3 to 4 years of constant learning and experience to understand the market, investing principles, concepts, and eventually it all helped me in designing my own investment process. It was tough, in the first 3 to 4 years, I used to read around 12 to 14 hours per day. It was exciting, but it was tough. And eventually in 2017, I designed my full course, which is based on my investing process, and you already know its name, investing course. And when I launched this course, I have written down some objectives that the sensible investing course should achieve. I know that most people that enroll with my training program will be from non-finance or non-accounting background, but no matter what, they should be self-sufficient after completing the course. They should not rely on anyone else to invest their hard-earned money. I wanted my sensible investors to be self-sufficient, confident investors. And as you already know, I am a value investor. And for a most is results. I believe results speaks louder than words.
100% I can say I'm so much delighted, excited after this course. I'm running with a lot of enthusiasm after doing this course, and I've already started doing some kind of investments.
Extremely satisfied with the course primarily because of the detail that Vishnu explained it to me.
Really, I am satisfied. 100% I am satisfied. Thanks for it. Thanks for the course. Because, from tomorrow onwards, I don't rely on you or anyone.
I'm confident enough, if you ask me, because see, by the end of the day, it's my hard-earned money. So why should I depend on somebody else's tips? Because see, with this course, I got so much of knowledge, and I have so much of confidence on my own. So then why to depend on somebody else?
Now, I wouldn't say satisfied. I would say I am more enlightened. Right? Saying that okay, it is not just the stories what we hear. It is not what we feel. Right? It is not an emotion. It is purely math.
Right now, I can say stock I can analyze by myself because of your Excel sheet. Almost now just 5 minutes of work.
Courses help me clearly articulate my thoughts in a way that I'm more confident today in investing in the select and pick stocks.
All I know is if I